Hey guys, this part's the solving portion of quadratics. We're going to start with standard form. The first step for this is going to be to factor. If you don't remember how to factor, that can be found in the polynomial section. Step 2, after we factor, we will set the parentheses equal to 0 and solve. So for this class example, I'm going to try and do my 2 parentheses. My first number is going to be decided by 5x squared. What makes 5x squared? That's 5x and 1x. My next is decided by what makes 12, and this is 3 times 4 is one of the combos. If we check our inners and outers, 4 times 1x makes 4x, and 5x times 3 makes 15x. These 4x and 15x add to my middle term, so we know we've done it correctly. Then these will both be positive to make a positive 19x. Once we've factored it, then we set the parentheses equal to 0. So this is going to become 5x plus 4 equals 0, and 1x plus 3 equals 0. And then we're going to solve. So I can subtract 4 to both sides. Divide by 5. So this would be negative 4/5, or whatever you get as a decimal. This one, subtract 3 from both sides, and we get negative 3. So recall you should get 2 different answers. Make sure you're getting x all by itself. For factored form, we basically skip the first step, and we're just setting the parentheses equal to 0. So here I can rewrite this as x plus 2 equals 0 and 2x minus 1 equals 0. To get rid of plus 2, we subtract. We're left with x equals negative 2. Here, to get rid of minus 1, we add. 2x equals 1. And then here, the 2 and the x are multiplying, so to get rid of it, I divide. So we end up with x equals 1/2 for one of them. For vertex form, step 1, we're going to set y equal to 0. If we check out this class example, they've already done that for us. Step 2, we're going to do PEMDAS backwards. That means first, I'm going to get rid of addition or subtraction. Then I'm going to get rid of multiplication and division. And then next, we're going to square root to get rid of our square. So here, to get rid of addition and subtraction, I see a minus 27, so I can get rid of it by adding. Zero plus 27 is 27. Here, this 3 is multiplied by my parentheses, so to get rid of it, we can divide. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Then, to get rid of this squared, we square root both sides. And this step, it's really important to remember that when we take the square root of something, we have positive and negative solutions. So the square root of 9 is positive 3 and negative 3. Then we can add 4 to both sides. We get x equals 7 as one answer and x equals 1 as another. So we should always get 2 answers because we do positive and negative.